Hey, I'm Johnny with Upfit Supply, and today we are checking out this Luverne Grip Step XL. It's a 9.5 inch wide by 54 inches long passenger side step. Now, some of the great features of this step is it's made of a powder coated aluminum. It has these perforations on top that make it extremely grippy for your work boots, but also is gonna knock off any dirt or snow that you may have on your boots when you're coming in and out of the van, keeping the interior much more clean. This is also available in a fleet kit, which would add on a reflective tape onto the edge of the step here, just for more added visibility for your step. A great feature of this step, obviously, is that it makes it a lot easier to be jumping in and out of your cargo van all day. Keeps you a lot safer as well, making sure you have a nice, secure, firm step to step into your cargo van. Now, we see steps like this being a common replacement part on parcel delivery services that utilize cargo vans. You're able to actually get just the step itself, or you can get the brackets, whatever is needed, but it's always gonna come with the hardware that you need to install it onto your cargo van. You can find steps like this and other products for your cargo van or work truck at upfitsupply.com.